Hello friends, as we all know, the world is facing this pandemic of corona and it's a big challenge. It has brought most of the countries in the world to lockdown stage and India is also in lockdown stage. So a lot of patients who are suffering from hair problems, hair issues, those who have taken treatments or even transplants they have undergone at this stage, they might not be able to contact their clinics, their surgeons. So this video is for those people only where I'm going to discuss some important points regarding aftercare and regarding care of your hair at home. So please watch the video till end. I'm your friend Dr. Shail Gupta. So people who have already undergone a transplant surgery, especially FUT surgery, they might be having stitches on the back of their head. I'm talking about my patients as well as other patients. So if you are able to come to our clinic, we can remove the stitches. If you live nearby, then only, because the clinic is closed. But if you stay away, uh, go to your nearby clinics and get the stitches removed there. You can, call us and make the doctor talk to us so that we can guide them how to remove the stitches. People who are already taking some medicines and they are finding themselves short of medicines and they are not able to find a particular brand of medicine, so they can change their brand. So the salt is minoxidil in most of the topical preparations which you are using. You can check the salt on the bottle of the medicine and click a picture and you can just show the salt name to your chemist and he'll give you the medicine. In case you take some different brand of biotin, I mean you can change the brand, or finasteride also, that for that matter, but you have to stick to the medications as they have been prescribed to you by your treating physician. Okay, now diet is also very important, uh, but you might not have access to a lot of things which you would like to eat. So whatever is accessible to you, you eat that with a positive frame of mind, thinking that this is going to benefit your hair, and it does. That's what the subconscious brain does. Then I'll make a separate video on in role of diet in hair, especially, and uh, in fight against corona, how to prevent corona to an extent, or maybe just raise your immunity to to make yourself less susceptible to get the infection. Then exercise role is also very important. Don't become lazy when you are staying at home. uh, the air quality has improved. You can do breathing exercises, which you know uh, this kind of air quality was never there in Delhi, and I'm sure in your cities also the air quality must have improved after the lockdown. So I've made a video on this air quality. You can see the link, it is given there. You can do some asanas like uh, Shirshasana or headstand, or maybe in case you can't stand on your head, you can do it with the help of wall on a kind of handstand. That's also good. Another important point which I would like to highlight here is, don't keep on watching corona news all the time on television, because that creates a kind of negativity in our minds, and that creates a collective consciousness which is negative, which is full of fear. So stay away from that. Instead, spend your time doing some creative things which you were like dreaming of doing, but you were not able to do it for ages. Maybe drawing, maybe painting, maybe singing, maybe some musical instrument, maybe cooking, maybe dancing, whatever, whatever catches your imagination, just do it. Take it as a blessing in disguise. When you cannot move outside, go inside. So yes, go inside, make a self connect. Meditation really helps, and it will help in your hair cause also. So I have a channel where I put guided meditations, I put motivational videos there. The link is given. It is by name of Dr. Shail Gupta, and you can also see this on Facebook and Instagram as well. So I am sure that once we stand together. We should all follow strictly this lockdown and make it a success. I have made a song on this. This is Ek Hai Hindustan song. The thumbnail is given. You can see it, and link is also given in the description. Beautiful song. Yeah, celebrating the spirit of India, and let's stay together. And together we can beat this corona. People who haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it to receive all the information. Don't forget to press the notification icon. And thank you. Love yourself. Stay blessed.